Hi, you're about to start class 1, which will give you a quick introduction to AI product management. This really just means product management with the help of AI tools. At the end of this series of 5 videos, you'll build a fully functional to-do app that looks like this. And you also pick up 3 important tools used by product managers in tech companies: Notion, Lovable, GitHub. You might be wondering why I'm spending one whole video series on product management alone. Well, in the new world going ahead, product management will be an extremely important skill set, even if you're just a policy ops or frontline officer. The new world is all about entrepreneurship, even within the context of the public service. Also, as it turns out, product managers have figured out the best way to communicate with LLMs through this thing they call user stories. Well, that's enough for an intro, and I'll see you in the videos.